Hello everyone. Today we are going to complete this page number 2nd from Vikas scrapbook class 3. In this scrapbook page number 2nd, one geometrical design is there. With the help of craft papers or sticker, we are going to complete this. These stickers or this craft paper come along with this book. Now I am going to choose first which part we are going to stick where, make a color combination before sticking the paper. Okay, one by one you can choose color. If you don't have a same color or you can make changes before sticking paper like this. I'm going to just randomly choose paper before sticking. You can make combination that sometime if you directly start to stick papers, if you did not get that much color, sufficient color to stick the all part, that time it's not looking good. That's why I'm going to select first for the which part, which shape I'm going to take and which color to make a combination of different colors like this. Here I am taking a red color for square. Like this, one by one you choose color and make a combination of according to your choice. Here I am taking green color now. See that is depend on you. You have a freedom to choose color, but make some color combination and sense between from these all color. Now semicircle part is remain. Now I'm going to take a blue color for semicircle. If you want to make changes, you can make it like if you want to change colors, like where is the yellow color is there you can take green color or red color as per your choice. Now here 4 semicircle we required. Now our paper selection is already finished. Now I'm going to stick papers on it. This is the most important thing. When you sticking paper, keep paper properly. I told you already how to keep papers. Okay, now you understand which color are there. I'm going to stick one by one color. Use any type of glue, but here I'm using a Fevicol. With the help of fingers you can spread Fevicol. Make that sure every corner should be stick properly. Okay, like this. Already border is given there. You have to stick inside. Now I'm going to stick it all papers one by one. Now third one and last fourth one. Don't use too much glue, just little bit glue is required to stick that papers, because this paper is so thin. But spread it Fevicol properly. All corners should be stick. With the help of finger you can pick the colors like this, because when you spreading that Fevicol, some Fevicol stick already on your hand. With the help of that you can choose the color and put it properly. This paper is coming with one envelope is there from back side, you can see on that book. Cut it properly with scissor and keep it properly, because we want to use these stickers, this paper to whole book. Okay, one by one we are going to complete this. Now I'm taking a green color to stick the papers of triangle shape. If you observe that, you can understand the square and all the relation between shapes. This is a 4 centimeter long square, and circles diameter also having 3 centimeter. Okay, the all shapes related to each other. If you circle cut in half, you will get 2 semicircles. You can able to stick that papers also. If you cut square, you will get a right triangle from it. Now you can also stick that part there. If the color is not with you, you can make this type of things. Now page number 2. Afterwards we are going to learn page number 3. One by one we are going to complete all book. Take a time and slowly you have to paint, you have to stick papers. Sometime coloring is also there, but on this page coloring is not there. Okay, our page number 2 from Navneet Vikas craft book class 3rd is finished. Okay, afterwards it's look like this. If you want to do border, you can do it. Okay, now till that time, bye bye.